to one of the most pressing and rapidly evolving challenge of our time, which is cybersecurity. As we gather here today, both physical and some of us that are virtually with us, we are reminded that the digital world we rely on for communication, commerce, governance, and day-to-day activities, governance and our daily life is under a constant threat. Cybersecurity are growing in scale, sophistication, and impact. From ransomware, targeting hospitals and schools, to threat against critical infrastructure and personal data breaches. The need for robust cybersecurity practice has never been greater. This forum brings us together some of the highest mind in cybersecurity experts from government, industry, academia, and the private sector. Over the course of our discussion, we will explore not only the current threat landscape, but also forward-looking strategies in AI security, data protection, incident response policy, and international cooperation. Let us take the opportunity not only to learn, but also to connect, collaborate, and innovate. It is through open dialogue and shared expertise that we will strengthen our collective defense and ensure a safer digital future for all. I want to use this opportunity to encourage each and every one of us to take the opportunity of being here today with us. As rightly said by the Chairman, Research and Innovation, let us take advantage of networking with one another. Let us take advantage of our diversity. Our diversity should give us an opportunity, an advantage to learn from one another. We are from different backgrounds, from different organizations, from different expertise. We have different type of expertise in which, by the time we come together and leverage on our diversity, it will give us a broader knowledge on how we can defend ourselves. And Nigerian Computer Society is very, very committed in making sure that programs like this are organized so that we can come together and share knowledge among ourselves and remind ourselves as IT professionals in such a way that we should be up to the task of the current challenges of IT sector. The society is open to each and every one of us, more especially those that are not registered with the society. It is the umbrella for all IT practitioners, which is open to each and every one of us that are not registered. If you are not registered with the society, please do take advantage of that and register. Be part of the umbrella, be part of the community that we all come together to learn from one another, be part of a community whereby quite a lot of opportunities are being harnessed within the society. Once again, I would like to use this opportunity to especially thank all the guests that we invited, most especially our keynote speaker who have been here since somewhere around 9 o'clock. He has been around and he has been patiently waiting. And even though he has quite a lot of tight schedule, but he finally came to wait for almost more than an hour. So I want to sincerely, I want to use this opportunity to sincerely thank you and appreciate your commitment towards the development of IT sector. And once again, I would like to use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of us to 2025 Cybersecurity Forum. Please let us take due advantage of our presence here. Let us network, let us share, let us take advantage of our presence here. Once again, thank you, and I wish us all the best. Thank you.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.